Hi there, students. A mummer, mummers, plural, mummery, the noun of the action, uncountable. Okay, let's see. Mummery is related to a word that I made a video about the other day, flummery. Okay, mummery talks about ridiculous ceremony, yeah, extravagant performance, yeah. So all of this mummery about the coronation of a king, I think, is ridiculous. Yeah, it's ostentatious ceremony, particularly of a religious nature. It's extravagant. It spends a huge amount of money, and what do we need a king for? Yeah. Okay. So mummery, extravagant, ostentatious, pretentious hypocrisy. Whenever the boss comes down to into our department, I hate all the mummery that goes on. Yeah, I hate all the ceremony and performance to show him how wonderful he is, but it's all meaningless nonsense. Yeah, it just makes him feel good. It just is just good to polish his vanity. Yeah, it's mere mummery and nothing more. Yeah, it's hypocritical. It's ridiculous. It's a pretentious ceremony. Now, this comes from a mummer or mummers. Let's see, mummers are, I think today you'd probably call the people who take part in a parade. Yeah, the people who put on a costume and act in a parade or a festival. So the carnival in Rio, yeah, is full of mummers. Yeah, people who are disguised or are dressed up ready for a festival. I think a mummer also can be, well, but this doesn't happen very much now, would be an actor in a pantomime. I think this is really old fashioned. But a mummer in a pantomime only communicates through facial expression. They don't actually say anything. So they are miming. Yeah, and this is the phrase of mum's the word, don't say anything. Yeah, it's the origin of it. But a mummer, an actor, a performer, somebody in a parade or something like that. Okay, so a mummer, a somebody at a festival, one of the entertainers. Yeah, it's in a folk play or a mime or something like that. We have mummers. Okay, but I think mummery. I like this mummery as in pomp and ceremony that is just ridiculous. It doesn't have any meaning. It doesn't have any substance. I have a feeling that a lot of the mummery that goes on is just trying to curry favour with important people. Yeah, mummery is showy, empty performance. It's being, I think, sycophantic mummery would be a lovely phrase. Think of all the sycophantic mummery that takes place when somebody important comes to visit your town. Okay, so mummery. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5. I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And a mummer, the actor, again 6.5 to 7. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, it comes through French from Mummery, but Let's see this. This word, we've got a German word mum, a mask, or an old German word mummen, to disguise oneself. Uh, um, momo in Spanish, a grimace. Um, Dutch mom, a mask. So it's something to do with the face. Maybe it's also related to the word to mumble, where you don't speak very clearly. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, yeah, the normal mummery I go through at the end, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, Mummery.